pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Danvers, long-distance movers near me. A local moving company like Danvers 3 Movers services include a better understanding of the town's layout and traffic patterns, making it easier for them to navigate the area and complete your move on time. A team of experienced and friendly movers who can handle your move professionally. Free moving quotes, insurance and protection for your belongings. Trackable trucks and vans, 24/7 inquiry and complaint management. Long-distance moves can be more complex than local moves, and choosing a moving company with experience and a proven track record of success is crucial. Danvers 3 Movers is one of the best long-distance moving companies in Danvers, MA, in 2023. We offer a variety of services to make your long-distance move as stress-free as possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Danvers moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.